Welcome to our channel, Daily How-To Solutions. Where we provide you with informative and helpful content. In today's video, we'll be discussing the step-by-step process of getting a passport, including how long it usually takes to receive it. Step 1. Gather your documents. Before you begin the passport application process, you will need to gather a few important documents. These documents include proof of citizenship, such as a birth certificate or naturalization certificate, a government-issued ID, and a recent passport photo. Step 2. Complete the passport application. Once you have your documents in order, it's time to complete the passport application. You can find the application on the U.S. Department of State's website or at a passport acceptance facility. Be sure to fill out the application completely and accurately, and sign it before submitting it. Step 3. Submit the application. After you've completed the application, it's time to submit it. You can either do this in person at a passport acceptance facility or by mail. If you choose to apply in person, you'll need to make an appointment at a facility near you. Step 4. Pay the application fees. When you submit your application, you will need to pay the appropriate fees. The cost of a passport varies depending on the type of passport you are applying for and how quickly you need it. Be sure to check the current fees on the U.S. Department of State's website before you submit your application. Step 5. Wait for processing. Once you've submitted your application and paid the fees, it's time to wait for processing. Standard processing time for a passport is about 4 to 6 weeks. If you need it sooner, you can pay an additional fee for expedited processing, which usually takes 2 to 3 weeks. Step 6. Receive your passport. Once your passport is processed, it will be mailed to you. You can track the status of your application on the U.S. Department of State's website. When you receive your passport, be sure to check that all the information is correct and sign it. That concludes our step-by-step guide on how to get a passport and how long it usually takes to receive it. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.